Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enable game mode on your Samsung phone. First, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down a bit and tap on Advanced Features. Next, scroll down. Here, you'll see the option for Game Booster settings. This is what manages game mode on your Samsung phone. Tap on Game Booster settings, then go to Game Optimization. From here, you can choose how your phone behaves while gaming. Select Performance, Balanced, or Battery Saver, depending on your preference. For the best experience, choose Performance mode to get smoother gameplay and better graphics. You can also customize Game Booster to block notifications, adjust touch sensitivity, or improve performance automatically while gaming. And that's it! You've successfully enabled game mode on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks. See you in the next video.